Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to go over the main strategy that I use in my trading, and it gives me over 80% plus win rate. I use the same exact strategy that I'm about to explain, so watch until the end of the video because I'm sure you're going to use this strategy on your day-to-day basis when you're trading, and it's really going to help you. I'm also going to go over exactly step by step the trade that I called out on my Discord and how I use the same strategy and how I use the same strategy every day on all the other callouts, and we have over almost 80 to 85% win rate on our Discord callouts. Also, if you guys want to join on our Discord, it's completely free, open to the public. You're not going to get charged anything. The link is going to be in my bio on my Instagram, and the link to my Instagram is going to be in the description down below. So make sure you guys check that out and join our Discord. Now, just to quickly show you what we went through today on our Discord. So this is June 2nd, and at 9:29, right before the market opened, I gave everyone a heads up that this might be a good long on GJ basically, or GBP Japanese, if it retests the level posted on the chart. So that was the level, but unfortunately this level it never came back to this level and it continued moving higher, and we never took our entry on this one. Then at 9:41 I sent us heads up for everyone saying that looking to find an entry on GBP USD for a possible short, and I notified everyone of my position at 9:46, almost 5 minutes after that. And so we opened right around here. I didn't get the best entry, so my entry would have been around up here, but it never gave me that entry. So I started with a starter position. So I mentioned I'm starting a small starter on this one, but I still feel like it could move higher before going down. So I have a small starter with stop above high of day. So that was where my stop loss was placed at. Then this trade was sent out at 9:46, and right away at 9:47 we were in a decent profit. So at 9:48 we took profit on half of our position, and I moved my stop loss to break even, and then at 9:52 I said I'm out of the position completely. So that was when I took profit. And then we had the USD CHF as well for long, and also the GJ as I mentioned, but they never, our alerts were never triggered. And that is basically, these are the positions I took. I also took a position on Nasdaq, but I didn't get a chance to call it out on Discord because it happened way too quick, and it happened out of nowhere for me. Like I wasn't paying attention. And so the profits I made today was around 967, or around $1,000 profit. And these are exactly my entries. So on the GBP USD, so this was the first entry, and the second and third and fourth entry here right on this candle after this rejection on the 1 minute. And we capitalized on this entire move down towards the support here, and I took profit. It started to continue to move down, like it went lower after this leg back up, but I just took profit as I'm mostly like a scalper, so I didn't want to hold for too long. Now without further ado, let's just go over the charts. So what was going through my mind on this trade was that, so GBP USD, so the strategy that I literally use every single day in the market is that, so first I look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, if I'm looking to short something, these are all the indications that I need to get. The first step is to find a supply zone on the 4-hour, which that's exactly what we had here. So we had this supply zone, and this supply market, like GBP came into the supply, tested this supply, and we had that rejection on the 4-hour time frame. Now if we move back to the 1 hour, we have another supply on the 1 hour, which is this one, which is this candle, and that was our supply on the 1 hour. So I'm just gonna mark it as, let's just highlight it as yellow maybe. So here we go, that's our supply zone on the 1 hour time frame. Now if I move down to the 15 minutes, now the 15-minute time frame, we have this supply zone, so I'm just gonna mark it as green. So that's the supply zone we had on the 15 minute. And if you guys look at this, if we go down to the 5 minute, and that's the supply we had on the 5 minute. So what happened on this trade, so the smaller supply, that's exactly the 5 minute supply. So what happened here was that I found out that on the 4 hour we have a supply zone. On the 1 hour, it's trading inside the supply zone as well. And also on the 15 minute, we're also trading inside the supply zone. And if we go down to the 5 minute, that's when I have my supply zone. So basically what was happening is that I saw, okay, so I have supply zones on the 4 time frames that I always watch out for. On the 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, and the 5 minute. So that was a super high probability trade. The only reason I didn't go full size on this trade was that I was not getting the best entry I wanted on this trade. So I had to go with a smaller size, as I have to always watch out for the risk management parameter of my trading, right? So guys, that was basically it for the trade that we took. So we always use this strategy, which is basically analyzing the 4 time frames, the 4 different time frames. What the time frames that I utilize is mostly the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minute, and the 5 minute. And if you guys go on the trade alerts tab of our Discord, you'll see that most of the trades that I call out are using the same strategy. So either if I want to go long, I found a demand zone on 4 different time frames, and if I want to go short, I'll find a supply zone on 4 different time frames. Alright guys, so that was it. Make sure you guys join our Discord, as it's completely free, and I send all these callouts and I trade live every single day, and I send my game plan for completely no charge. And of course, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and also comment down below what you want to see in the next videos.